Hello guys, now I am making how to create event calendar in PHP. That is very interesting things. That is the full calendar. You can make any events. Also event you can edit and delete from here. That's very interesting things. And firstly I am saying for making this table all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website link just see my video description. Now I am tell what is the benefit or how to work this table, then I will make this calendar, no problem. First things I will create a event. Okay, you see that schedule form left side, then press title, any kind of title you can type, no problem. Now I'm typing birthday Gila, my friend's name, then start a time. You click here, then when your birthday will start. Okay, no problem. 5th Friday, July 22, then 10 a.m. to 10 to okay, and then am done this time, and your its party will be done or finish 15, then 10 to okay, no problem, 12 44 am, sorry, pm, done. Guys, if I click save, then I am you see that localhost said schedule successfully saved. Press OK, then you can see that fifth one schedule already created. If I click here, then see schedule full details, title, birthday, description, Gila, started time to end the time. You can edit from here. If you click edit icon, then your cursor automatically go your schedule, Gila, and also your started time and ended time you can change from here, no problem. Also if you click here, then see delete icon, you can click, you can delete the schedule, no problem. Self press delete, then press OK, then press OK, done, your schedule already delete. Guys, how you will make this? Now I'm share already. I told you for making this table or concept source code you can download 100% free from my website links in my video description. When you click this video or the source code link, then see that interface, that is my website interface. Scroll down, then see get source code, get a database. Obviously you have to download from here all kinds of source code, otherwise your table won't make. Okay, I will show you, I will give you a 100% full complete set. So guys, also scroll up, then see the demo list. You see that if you click demo list, then see there are a lot of demo in here, about how much, 44 demo in here. There are a lot of demo. You see that left side view details and view demo. If you click view details, then see view details, and also see click view demo, then see view demo. Guys, no more talk, now I will make this table. Everybody know must be we have to go our gem. My gem is the localhost .c, then place click here std-docs, and now I am making table 48. Already I create this to 48. Now I'm clicking here. There's all kinds of source code, guys. Already I told you when you download, then see this types of information, and this is the database connection, deleted day schedule, index, save schedule, and also database. Now I'm open every source code. Okay, now I'm open, self click open, then see this interface. First things, database is main fact. Always remember my database folder name always code hunter demo. Okay, must be you have to change your folder name code hunter demo from your localhost PHP admin. Also must be you have to find out your table name. My table name table 48. Okay, there are a lot of places in table 48. Must be you have to change from everywhere. Okay, and also another things, also you can search from here table 48, database connection from table 48. All kinds of sources must be you have to change, otherwise your database didn't connect with your another codes. Okay guys, that's interesting things. And also that is the data index. No need to change, everything is already ready. Self you click except you download from my website all kinds of source code and put your localhost PHP admin, then you can see this calendar. So guys, I think it's more than enough, no more talk. If you have any question about this calendar, don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And if you like this type of video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget share with your friends. So guys, no more talk. Thank you very much.